Introduction. Hello and welcome to our instructional video on solving the quadratic equation x squared minus 18x plus 81. In this video, we will go step by step through the process of factoring this quadratic equation. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of how to solve similar equations on your own. Let's get started. Step 1 involves identifying the quadratic expression x squared minus 18x plus 81. Notice how this expression can be represented as a perfect square trinomial. To see this more clearly, recall the form of a perfect square trinomial, which is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. In this case, the quadratic expression x squared minus 18x plus 81 aligns with this form, where a equals x and b equals 9, because negative 18 is twice negative 9. Therefore, we rewrite the expression as x minus 9 squared. Step 2 involves simplifying the rewritten expression to its most simplified form. From step 1, we have the expression x minus 9 squared. To further illustrate this, we recall that squaring a binomial means multiplying it by itself. Therefore, x minus 9 squared represents x minus 9 times x minus 9. In its simplest form, the solution remains as x minus 9 squared. Since no other factors can be simplified, this is the final step. Thus, the original quadratic expression x squared minus 18x plus 81 simplifies to x minus 9 squared. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.